Here in DJ Talyer, we have so much to offer.
Shut
He is the owner.
Hello, mga girls. I'm Daddy Jerry. Just call me DJ Mga Sexy.
Oh ha, yan ang daddy ko.
And she is the one and only lady.
Taxi po!
It's just like one of the boys.
But we have situation straight from London.
We're sending you to the Philippines.
You will be staying with Jerry.
What?
Parallels will arrive.
Iniisip ko pa lang na binusbleed na ako eh.
Naintindihan po.
Maliwanag na maliwanag.
Awiglado, klaro ang tanan.
Bisaya ka din?
Gamay lang.
Malugod na inihahandog sa inyo ng TV5 ang one and only show na kukumpuni ng lonely nights ninyo.
Nakwat! Bisita natin yan!
One of the boys. Magsisimula na sa May 3.